This was supposed to be a round trip with our Series 3 Land Rover of just under 300 kilometers from Pretoria to Drie Riviere. But things did not turn out quite the way we hoped. There was an electrical issue, and at the trailer hiring place I was unable to find any trailer that would connect to the Land Rover's outlet socket. Later it turned out to be a incompatibility between the LED lighting of the new trailers and the old electrical system of the Land Rover. There was just not enough power flowing through or something like that, so I had to go and get another vehicle. Unfortunately, I really wanted to leave at 7:30, but we only left at like 9, so that put us quite behind schedule for the day. This is a 1968 Hinomoto D1111. I did not know this at the time. It took many weeks to find it out. They are quite rare here in South Africa. Not many were imported. The next model, the 150, was a petrol engine out of 1973, and they're much more common. So we decided to buy this, although we could not start it on the premises as there was water in the intake manifold, and I did not want to risk damaging anything anymore. The engine did turn over, so I decided I'm going to take a chance on it. And we loaded and returned home. It's now about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Our day started quite early, but I just decided after I delivered the trailer back to the renting company that I was quickly going to try and take off the intake manifold and drain as much water out of the tractor as I can, just to minimize damage. I have no idea how long the water was in it. It could have been in there for a couple of days, it could have been in there for a couple of months, so perhaps an extra day would not have mattered. But I just decided to drain it, and then the next day we would try and start the vehicle.